What's the meaning of black spot? Black spot. Black spot.
Black spot. Black spot. Black spot is a phrase that can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. In general terms, the black spot refers to a situation or place that is considered dangerous or problematic. For example, a black spot on a highway could be a location that has a high incidence of accidents. In nautical terms, a black spot can refer to an area on a map indicating a location where ships have been lost or sunk. In literature, the black spot references a mark used in Robert Louis Stevenson's Treasure Island to indicate that the recipient has been marked for death.